Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into your Craigslist ads and why they might not be bringing any leads or as much as you hoped. Craigslist is an amazing platform for generating leads, but it can be a tricky one in order to get it right. Before we get into this nitty-gritty, let's talk about how crucial lead generation is for business. Without a steady stream of leads, it's tough for any business to grow. And that's what we're here from AdClimber to show you on Craigslist what it comes down to and how it has the potential to be a goldmine for leads if it's used effectively. So why aren't you on Craigslist hitting your mark? What is up with that? One common issue is that people make simple mistakes in their ads and they turn potential leads away because they're not optimizing their ads properly. So with our software, you're able to actually use ChatGPT 4.0 and it will rewrite your ads for you in real time with our proprietary AI prompts for Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace that are going to allow you to get the best ads possible with all sorts of randomizations to your images that are also going to make every ad like a snowflake on Craigslist, saving you money and flagging potential. The mistakes you can make are sabotage your own lead generation. We see it all the time. So let's turn things around. Let's focus on creating ads that grab attention. Start by crafting compelling ad copy that speaks directly to your target audience. Let's use high quality images that showcase your product or service in the best light. And don't forget to provide detailed information so potential leads know exactly where to contact you. And one of the biggest mistakes we see is people putting their phone numbers inside of their ad content. So while I'm going to go ahead and post some ads with our software here, let's go ahead and cover a few more things. So, as you can see, I've opened up a Craigslist search in a local city for apartments for rent, and you can see the titles being generated. Nothing on the photos that's going to make them stand out. Not a lot of SEO going on in these ads. Let's just click into one here and see what's going on. So, you have some basic stuff. It's black and white. It's kind of just, laid out, not as optimized as it nearly could be. And this is one on probably the better side of what we see. So we really wanted to find a software that worked well. So let's see, Newport Seacrest Apartments. So we just got a small font paragraph about everything. Everything looks very, very generic and similar. So we like to add a little bit extra to our search engine optimization for the Craigslist algorithm. So that's what I liked about AdClimber and how it accomplished this. So here's the key moment. All the elements are often missing in Craigslist ads that we see daily, including a strong call to action in the title, highlighting the benefits of your offering, building trust with the audience by putting in language and verbiage that can make a significant difference in your lead generation efforts based on the ads you're posting. These small tweaks have a huge impact on success of your ads, and we've seen it monthly with our clients. So let's go ahead and use the AdClimber platform to run some ads. So we've chosen 4 ads in our advert manager. There are these come in today properties in the same city of Newport Beach actually, and we can see how we have similar information laid out because these were imported in from Craigslist. So now that we have this information here, we can do by phone or by text, or we can just keep our hyperlinks or whatever we want in here. And we'll go ahead and save. These have images already on them. So we're just gonna select our campaign where we've created for, this system's really cool. You basically just select the adverts you wanna post and you choose the Craigslist city you want, and you write in your prompt for your title and your prompt for your description, and they actually provide these. So you can see here, like, selected to prevent triggering in the flagging system, avoiding or amending to platform guidelines, avoiding prohibited content by flagging. This is awesome stuff that these guys are doing here. So let's go ahead and save this, and let's try to run this campaign and see what happens here. So what's great is it queues you up. You can store multiple accounts inside their system. So now, based on the titles that we had before, we got 4 new unique titles that it's built in off of this, and has call to action statements inside of the information. And we can see over here that the software is actually running the ads into their system. So I believe that's the first one that's done. And this is really cool, guys. Look, it's just going and banging the next ad into their system. It's pretty awesome software. So while this is running, in summary, optimizing your Craigslist ads is essential for generating quality leads. But if you're focusing on creating compelling ad copy, you got to use something like software like this, or have your own ChatGPT 4.0 account and copy and paste everything back and forth over. I mean, look at these like image randomizations that are going on. It's watermarked, it's got borders, it's changing pixel names, metadata, really a lot of interesting stuff that it's doing here. So that's the power of this software, and the automation is definitely a 2 thumbs up across the board on this. And once these ads have finished, we can see that it says it's completed the postings, and we can go ahead and try to open up the ads over here and see if we can log into that account. Okay, and pull this back in. So here's our ads that we've posted. So let's go ahead and display what this ad kind of came out as. So we didn't add emojis in the title because we feel like real estate, it works a little bit better for that. And we can see that it's crafted and shortened this ad to make it a lot more optimized for people's eyes to not have to read too much content. Let's go back and see what it did with the next ad here. So let's go ahead and display this. And here we have a modern 1-bedroom, spacious, move-in ready, contact this. And we've once again shortened down the information and listed new and different activities here. And if we go back one more time, we can take a look at the next advert. And we have cozy 1-bedroom apartment available now, call for details. And it's taken some of the more information and built another ad around it with the city information and whatnot for the SEO purposes. So really, really cool stuff. Let's show you how cool this can make an ad with the same ad we'll do with more emojis and information. So let's go ahead and go back to the software, and we'll click finish on it. And let's go back and make a new campaign and make a couple adjustments to this campaign to make sure everything's in there. So it's telling it to use all this HTML content. And what I'm going to do is just remove the block quote feature from it. And let's see, non-professional conversation tone, create an urgency. Let's change an urgency to create a call to action in the title. Emphasize keywords with bold font for maximum SEO value. Action add title with light emojis. And let's go and edit this prompt here. So let's see, non-professional conversation tone, write a conversational tone. And let's add with light emojis. So something really cool at the end of this, we can actually put a comma and put include a list of 10 search terms that people are typing to find apartments in Newport Beach, CA. And let's go ahead and just fix this quick spelling here. Okay, so now that we have this done, let's fix this little blip over here. So we're just going to go back to this and choose one of these ads first to work with, so we can all see this here. Let's go back, so we're selecting the same ad, so 61. So let's go ahead and select this term here, and campaign name, let's call it just test 3, and let's go to save. Oh, we got to select our location. So this is where you can see all the cities in a list, and I'm just going to go down to our local territory here. I have seen not really the need for IP addresses with myself or any of the clients I have running this. They are currently using their main Craigslist account and their main IP address, and a lot of them do paid posting. So free posting, you can only get away with so much. So let's go ahead and scroll down and choose this campaign here. And we are on image randomizer, AI generated, and let's go ahead and make that same ad. Okay. Okay, let me just slide this window in front as much as I can so we don't affect the posting. So let's see what kind of ad we get created using the AI strategy that we just updated with emojis and a keyword list at the bottom of the ad. So that's so cool. Green border this time. Now we got the emojis built in. So now let's go ahead and take a preview of that ad that we just posted. So that's our draft section. We were just checking there. So obviously we can see that this is the new ad. Hashtag love where you live. Let's go in and take a look and see what we built here. So we have a decorative title, stands out in the search. Now we have AI optimization using SEO with H1 title tags in, border break lines, similar stuff built in. And we said to use light emojis inside of this ad. So this will get regenerated next time to include maybe some more emojis or different layouts. But bottom line is this going to rank really high for Newport Beach because we're using H1 title tags, which is a huge factor in Craigslist search algos. And you can see the keyword list that it built down here. Super cool. All these are top search keywords that the AI was able to find and build into your ad that people are typing out there. So, and I just want to say, if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other videos that we make over here about awesome Craigslist posting software. And next week, I think I'll be doing one on Facebook Marketplace posting, which this platform also does right here, which is a pretty awesome feature too. I've had a lot of success with the click-throughs that we're getting on that. So if you don't mind, just go ahead and click the like or subscribe if you want to know cutting edge techniques on Craigslist Marketplace strategies and Facebook strategies. So we are the ones who have the answers.